welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We had a great episode today. Make sure you stay till the end where I'm reunited with my little chihuahua Mookie. So I don't know if you saw the title, but you might be wondering what the heck am I doing putting ice cubes on pizza dough? Sounds very bizarre. So last night I was watching the Food Network and I saw Bobby Flay and Giada De Laurentiis. They were in Rome and they went to a famous pizzeria. So this pizzeria made Cacio e Pepe pizza. Cacio e Pepe just means cheese and pepper. But this is a classic Roman dish. It's probably the most famous and beloved pasta dish in Rome. So this Roman dish actually goes back to ancient times. It was popular with the shepherds because it involved sheep milk. Cacio e Pepe is in Rome, anyways, is traditionally made with Pecorino Romano, which is a sheep's milk. So basically all it was the sheep's milk, the black pepper. The reason the shepherds liked the black pepper is it was some sort of warming agent, and then they just used dry spaghetti. And then it was really popular in the pubs and drinking establishments in Rome because of the black pepper made people want to drink more red wine. The true Roman Italians love this dish, and the key ingredient is the Pecorino Romano. So that gets me to why am I putting ice cubes on pizza dough? So for two reasons. The Pecorino Romano is going to get very bitter in the high temperature that it takes to cook a pizza. And then also the key ingredient to a good cacio e pepe is the starchy pasta water to make the sauce. So we need to emulate some kind of starchy water to put the sauce on the pizza. So the ice cubes are going to melt nicely, and then we're going to add the Pecorino Romano onto the pizza. The liquid that's come from the ice cubes is now going to be warm enough to melt the Pecorino Romano without making it bitter, and it's going to have a nice starchiness to go with the black pepper sauce. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So the pizza dough recipe I'm using, I'll put it in the description. I got the pizza dough recipe from Kenji Lopez-Alt. That's the name of his YouTube channel. He's most famous for the book The Food Lab, which I absolutely love. And this is his pizza dough recipe. This is his same day New York style pizza dough recipe, which he has a video out, but I'll put the entire dough recipe in the description below. All right, so let's get started on my Cacio e Pepe pizza. Grazie. All right, so I said I was going to do a 16-incher. So then I decided to roll up the crust so it will act as a sort of a reserve or well to hold the liquid in. So just by looking at the pan, that's a 14-inch pizza pan. So just use that to eyeball it. So it looks like it's about 14 inches. All right, and then I think it'll be wise to put it on the pizza peel before I put the ice on. So we'll just do that. All right, the only thing I have really are grits. So I'm just going to put a few grits on my pizza peel to get a good lift off. Maybe I'll put a little bit of sea salt as well. All right, let's do the transfer. Okay, we'll give it a quick test before I get that a little bit sticky here. The ice. Just going to do a tray of ice cubes. All right, we're gonna get that in the oven. I got her cranked up all the way to about 500 degrees. I had the pizza stone nice and hot. All right, here we go. All right, add a little bit of stickage. I think I'll move that ice around a little bit just to even it out. Okay, we'll see how that works. And we'll we'll let it go for at least 10 minutes, I'd say. And I actually got the top broiler on at 500. Oh, you can see the crust is starting to bubble already. I still got some of that liquid on there. I think we're gonna get like 3 different kinds of textures here. Like, so the crispy, a little bit gummy, and then we're gonna have the creaminess. So I gotta get that Pecorino Romano on there while it's still hot. And now I'm going to put an obscene amount of black pepper on there. I could go all day with the black pepper. I just love it. I think we'll let it set up a bit before I cut into it. All right, so I popped it back in the oven ever so slightly, just not on a very high heat, just to kind of let everything work together. All right, so I'm gonna cut into this bad boy. All right, let's give it a try. Oh yeah, so definitely 3 kinds of textures going on. You got the crisp crust, a little bit gummy on top, and then the sort of like a cream sauce on top. Definitely, I think I killed it. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.